Welcome back guys to my channel. I hope all is going well. So today I'm gonna show you how you can download Fortnite but beta version for Android. And yeah, I know my previous video on how to download and install for Android was fake, but this is real one. That one was fake, but this is real one. This Android Android version of Fortnite is released by Epic Games, but it is the beta version of Fortnite, so it is not released on Google Play Store. It is, I don't know why they don't know. They did not release Epic Games Fortnite for Android on Play Store, but they released Fortnite beta version. But because it is the beta version, then you cannot play on all of the devices. You can just play on some of the devices that are new, like Google Pixel 2 XL, Google Pixel, and Samsung, and maybe Vivo E9. I will give you the list in which you can play, so don't worry about it. So without further ado, let's get into it. So guys, first of all, to download Fortnite beta version for Android, you have to open your browser. My favorite browser is Chrome, so I'm opening it. Let me cut this. Let me open a new page. Okay, my browser is open, and now when your browser is open, type your Epic Games. So Epic Games is the website of Fortnite, as we all know if you play Fortnite. So go to Epic Games, then click here, click on Explore. Then play free now. First read this, that Android beta initially will work on the following devices: Samsung Galaxy S7, S7 Edge, S8, S8 Plus, S9, S9 Plus, Note 8, Note 9, Tab S3, Tab S4, Google Pixel XL, Pixel 2, Pixel 2 XL, Asus ROG Phone, Zenfone, and here's the list. I will give this list in the description. You can see it will also run on OnePlus 6, OnePlus 5, and Xiaomi Mi 5, Mi Mix, and there are many more devices. I can't read all of these. I will give you this list of devices in the description, so please check out the description. So now you have to click on sign up from your email. Now he is asking that do you play Fortnite. I play Fortnite on my PC, so I'm clicking yes. But if you don't play Fortnite on your PC, you have to click no, like this. If you click no, then you have to create an account for Fortnite. But if you play, but if you play, you click on yes. You choose your forget about that. You have to choose on which device do you play Fortnite. So I play on PC. I'm click on PC Mac. And now you have to sign in with your email ID. Let me sign in. Okay, I went to ID and password. Let me sign in. Now it will tell you Android beta. You are now on the waiting list. Now you will have a message from Epic Games. It will come in maybe just 2 to 3 minutes. So let me wait until it comes. Cut it. Not this one. Pausing the video until it comes. Yeah guys, this Gmail has come. Email, sorry. So then you have to go to Gmail. If not a fake video. If you think that I post the video because something I want to do fake, but it's not fake video, because believe me. Then box, where is the, I got many emails, many emails. There it is, Epic Games. Thanks for signing up. Pre-install Android for Fortnite now. Hey, ForPlayZ. Now you have to click on get started. Got this. Now it's Android beta. See Epic Games link, or I can give this link in the description. Yeah, I can give this link in the description if you don't wanna do that much stuff. Or whether Fortnite battle royale on Android. Get started. Now it's the last step for you. So click on download. APK has download. Open it. It's 4 MB APK because it is the Fortnite installer, it's not the Fortnite. So install it. It will check that what is your device, if it can run on your device or not. Let it install. But my device is Solo Era 2X, so it do not run on my device. I don't know why, but it don't run. Why it is taking so much time to install? Maybe because I have a screen recorder in background running. Okay, it is installed. Then got this. We don't need it anymore. Now go to this, and here it is, Fortnite installer. As you can see, it is made by Epic Games. So these are Epic Games logo. You can see this is Epic Games logo. My phone is lagging too much. As I said, that Fortnite is not compatible with your device. But if you have the devices which list I will give in the description, then it will all run. I'm sorry because it did not run on my device. I am poor people. I am poor man. I can't afford that much mobile. As you can see, the device is not supported. I'm just kidding. I will buy that device sometime. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like the video, and please like the video because your like is your like, but you can make it our like by liking the video. So guys, like this video if the trick the part, and subscribe my channel for new tricks like this and new tutorials, and comment down below if it did not work. If you have devices that is given in the list, if it is not work, then tell me in the comment section by commenting what happened.